The news in detail. The Department of Telecommunications or DOT has allocated spectrum to telecom operators, paving the way for launch of 5G services. Communications and Information Technology Minister Ashwani Vaishnav said the letters for spectrum assignment were issued. Vaishnav has also requested telecom service providers to prepare for 5G launch. Bharti Enterprises Chairman Sunil Mittal praised at the speed at which DOT processed all the matters related to spectrum auction. Mittal said E-band allocation was given along with spectrum as promised. He said no fuss, no follow-up, no running around the corridors and no tall claims. And this is the ease of doing business as it should be with the assignment. Off-frequency telecom operators can start the work for rolling out 5G networks. The 6-day autumn session of